I'm going to be trying out watercolors for the first time. Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, I am outside today and this is my actual first time trying watercolors. I mean, there's like those little kid Crayola ones you can find at Walmart and stuff that the little kids love. And those things are fun, but I'm not sure if that really counts. So I'm going to be using the actual brand watercolors, and I've got like the watercolor paper and everything. I've been meaning to try this for like a year, but I finally am able to try this out. And I have all the supplies. I have watercolor papers. This, I have no clue where I got this. This one I got from the awesome store called Ollie's. It sells everything for like half its price, if not cheaper. I've got all my brushes. I heard that like you can't use these maybe. I'm not sure. There's certain brushes that you say you can't use, but then there's other ones they say like that are like this that you can use. And then I have my water, so obviously you need water for watercolors. I heard that if you use a spray bottle to make sure your paints don't dry out while you're using them, it's a lot better. And then I just have an actual tub to get like my brushes wet. I've got my palettes, paper towel, and these are my actual watercolors. I have a bunch of different tubes of watercolor, and some look like this, and then some look like this. So it's just a mixture of different ones. I kind of like color coordinated them, but it'll probably get messed up. And then this is something a friend got me, and it's just a lovely watercolor set with lots of different colors. I love the variety of colors when it comes to paint, and it's got a nice paintbrush I can use. So let's see how this goes. So I decided to use this watercolor packet of paper because it's an older one, and if I mess up on it, it's not that big a deal. I'm going to be trying out these watercolors first, and if I love these, which I'm sure I will, then I'm going to try out these ones, in which I'm interested to see how those are. And then I also forgot to mention this awesome travel paintbrush pack that a really good friend gave me, and it's got round brushes, and it's got fan brushes, little ones, big ones. It really is an awesome pack. Now another thing is I'm going to be trying, and I'm going to be like painting like fruits and veggies, because that's what I've always loved. For even the little kid watercolors, I did that, and I thought it was lots of fun, and I love the looks of them. So that's what I'm going to be trying and painting today, is an assortment of fruits and veggies. So I tried out these watercolors, and I have to say I love them. They are lots and lots of fun. And so I made 2 strawberries, a watermelon, some cherries, and now I'm going to turn the page and I'm going to try out these watercolors and see how they are, because I have a feeling that they're going to be a lot different from these ones, but I don't know. I've always wondered what those ones are like.
So I tried 2 different watercolors today. This one, which is the tray, and then this one, which is the bottles. For my fruit, the watermelon, strawberries, and cherries, I did the tray watercolor. And then for this one, for my veggies, my corn and carrots, I did the bottles. And I'd have to say I like both. I probably like this one better just because it seems to be easier to use and easier to clean up. So I definitely like this one better, but I will definitely be using these ones too because I have lots of bottles of this.
Alright guys, now I just wanted to simply take you along and show you my first time using watercolors, and I am definitely going to give it a double thumbs up. Yes, watercolors are awesome. So far I've tried acrylic, watercolor, now I'll eventually find time to try out oils, but when I do, I will bring you guys along. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hope you caught that creative bug.